Is your agency drowning in emails and struggling to keep projects on track? Then it's time to unlock the power of Basecamp. I'm going to show you exactly how agencies can leverage Basecamp to streamline workflows, boost team coordination, and skyrocket client satisfaction, all in under 90 seconds. First, ditch the endless email chains and create a dedicated Basecamp project for each client. This keeps everything neatly organized in one central hub. Next, break down projects into actionable Todos, assign tasks to specific team members, set deadlines, and even add helpful descriptions and attachments. This ensures everyone knows exactly what they need to do and when. Use the Campfire chat feature for quick team discussions and instant updates. It's perfect for brainstorming, sharing files, or simply keeping everyone in the loop without cluttering inboxes. For more formal communication, utilize the message board. Post project updates, share meeting notes, or announce important decisions. This creates a searchable record of all critical conversations. Keep everyone on schedule with the schedule feature. Add milestones, deadlines, and recurring events. Basecamp will automatically send reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, invite your clients to the project as guests. This gives them transparent access to project progress, allows them to provide feedback directly, and fosters a stronger, more collaborative relationship. By implementing these simple steps, your agency can transform its workflow, improve team coordination, and deliver exceptional results for your clients. Ready to take your agency to the next level? Hit that subscribe button for more agency life hacks and let me know in the comments how Basecamp has helped your team.